About the author. Chief Joseph, 1840 to 1904, was the leader of a band of the Nez Perce people, originally living in the Wallowa Valley in what is now Oregon. During years of struggle against whites who wanted their lands and broken promises from the federal government, Chief Joseph led his people in many battles to preserve their lands. On a desperate retreat towards Canada, Chief Joseph and his band were fighting the army and the weather, and he finally surrendered in the Bear Paw Mountains of Montana. On Surrender at Bear Paw Mountain, 1877, by Chief Joseph. Tell General Howard that I know his heart, what he told me before I have in my heart. I am tired of fighting. Our chiefs are killed. Looking Glass is dead. Tohohil Sote is dead. The old men are all dead. It is the young men who now say yes or no. He who led the young men, Joseph's brother Alicut, is dead. It is cold and we have no blankets. The little children are freezing to death. My people, some of them have run away to the hills and have no blankets and no food. No one knows where they are, perhaps freezing to death. I want to have time to look for my children and see how many of them I can find. Maybe I shall find them among the dead. Hear me, my chiefs. My heart is sick and sad. From where the sun now stands, I will fight no more forever.